From the Warner Brothers Studios, here she is now, Ellen DeGeneres.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Today's show is all about math, but not just any math. It's about Calculus BC, the oldest math around. Today we have three special guests with us, each having completed Mr. Stadelman's Calculus BC class. They each took different techniques and therefore had varying levels of success. Our first guest, all the way from Poland, is our favorite exchange student. Please welcome Wojtek Kruk.
With a Cuban cigar in the middle of Paris with a Dominican bar. Great head on her shoulder, she probably studied abroad. She transferred to Harvard from King's College in March.
So Wojtek, how was your time in Calc BC?
It was boring, actually. I didn't have any problems with it. I kind of knew everything already. I was surprised that everybody else had trouble with the class.
Oh, where'd you learn to be so humble, Wojtek?
Well, it's true.
So, are you saying you don't need to try to succeed in BC?
Well, I didn't, but that's just me. Everyone else had to take good notes and study and really apply themselves during the class, but I didn't have any of those problems, so I guess it was just really easy for me.
Well, thank you, Wojtek, for gracing me and the audience with your presence. We'll see you again later for our little Calc BC competition.
All right.
Thanks, Wojtek. So later, Wojtek and our two other guests will join together in a little competition to see whose skills are the best from Calc BC. Our next guest is Casey Schmidt. Hi. You too. Yeah, take a seat. Take a seat. So when did you take Calc BC?
Well, I graduated in 2008, and I took it my senior year, so 2008.
Nice, nice. And what did you think of the class?
Well, you know, I was always one of those students who was really good at math, but this was definitely one of the trickier courses, and I really had to study, really had to put forth a lot of effort, take some good notes, and that's how I enabled myself to succeed.
Good, good. So what have you been doing since then?
Well, I just recently graduated Westminster College.
Nice.
Right here.
Nice.
And I graduated magna cum laude, which is the second highest honors you can receive there. I got accepted into UNC for grad school, and I'm going to get my master's in molecular bio there.
Wow.
They're actually paying me to go there.
That's great, isn't it? Yes, yes. So Casey, how do you feel about competing in a little competition against the other past students?
Oh, wow. You know, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I don't really know how well I'll do with that.
Well, that's okay.
We'll see.
We know it's a long time ago, so we'll see what happens. Well, thank you, Casey.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We'll see you soon. Thank you. See you soon. Our final guest is the most recent Shaler grad who took Calc BC her senior year. She's a little bit different from our last two guests. I think you'll see why. Please welcome Jamie Roth. Hey,
From a camel
oh, hi! Shaler softball for life! Winning! Oh, wow! Okay, Jamie, let's sit down. Let's sit down. So tell me about your success in Calc BC.
Oh, God. That's funny.
Well, what is that supposed to mean?
Well, I tried hard. Kinda. You see, Mr. Stadelman just always taught so fast, and, well, I gave up sometimes.
So, you wouldn't call yourself the ideal student?
Oh, you know, I was enjoying class, but, you know, I guess sometimes I didn't always do my best.
So Jamie, with your ups and downs in Calc BC, looking back, what would you have done differently?
Well, I always had my phone on my desk, for one thing. I probably should have done that pretty distracting. Also, Mr. Stadelman, he always just taught so fast, and it's got harder and harder and harder all year. I guess I probably should have studied a little bit more, but, you know, it's never give up. That's what you got to do. Can't give up in that class, you know.
Yeah. That's it. Good advice. Good advice, Jamie. Well, thank you for coming onto the show. How do you feel about competing a little competition against Wojtek and Casey?
God, that should be funny.
Well, thank you very much. Why don't we have Casey and Wojtek come on out? So for this little Calc BC off, our 3 guests will be solving an integral using trigonometric substitution, a topic not covered in any other high school math course but Calc BC. Here's the integral the 3 of them will be solving. Let's do this. Take your places. Ready, set, go.
Something in here's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first and how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head, like a face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I lie, face that laughs every time I fall. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my path. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head.
What? I was done 5 minutes ago.
Well, let's give a big round of applause for our 3 guests. Thank you. Well, folks, as you have seen today and learned from our 3 guests, taking a class like Calc BC is not easy. It requires a lot of hard work and a lot of perseverance. Are you up for the challenge?
Right. Hold the bucket up a little bit.
Are you filming it?
Can you hear in the background?
Oh, hold on, I'm lopsided. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay.
Hear in the background?
Oh, hold on, I'm lopsided. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay.
Alright, can we start?
I need to get rid of these boobs. That's what Darren's laugh on there.
You?